Such a beautiful ship, Jack. You have built it beautiful. I helped. You built it beautiful too. What is the name? I cannot read. Amala. I could not read that. The name is not Amala either, but Ameda. Whoops. Amala, would it be nice too? Do you want to watch the D movie again? Good idea. Can you take us to the nearest port? Lost my ship in a strong storm. Hold on tight. We'll be there soon. Yeah, that's great. Thanks. Now I can do it. You have to learn how to ride first. Who wants to ride comes with me. I'm with you. On the lowercase d, you start in the middle, make an arc, go straight up, then straight down again and make a little curl at the end. I'm practicing that now. This does not look difficult. I'm trying to do that too. Bye bye. See you soon. Ship ahoy.
Flip, flop.